Owning a car today isn't just a purchase. In the US, the average annual cost is about $11,500. It's not one time. It's a recurring financial commitment every year. In 1975, owning a car was much cheaper. Today, costs have risen nearly 470%, turning something once affordable into a major financial burden. The average new car now costs around $50,000. Most people finance it, turning a simple purchase into long-term debt. Monthly car payments now exceed $800 for many. That's like rent, and it doesn't include fuel, insurance, or maintenance. Insurance costs average $2,600 to $2,700 per year. These premiums keep rising, adding another unavoidable expense. Insurance has surged due to higher repair costs and accidents. Even safe drivers now pay more with little control. Maintenance and repairs have increased by nearly 47%. Servicing, parts, and labor are becoming significantly more expensive. Unexpected repairs cause the biggest damage. Many families suddenly spend thousands, turning stability into financial shock. Fuel adds another ongoing expense. Even with price changes, regular use makes it a constant drain on income. Combine loans, insurance, maintenance, and fuel, and a car becomes a system of continuous payments, not a one-time purchase. Most think they own their car, but the bank owns it until the loan is cleared. Miss payments, and it's gone. Depreciation makes it worse. The moment you buy a car, its value drops while you keep paying for it. Cars have shifted from assets to liabilities. The cost often outweighs the value they provide. Modern ownership is built on financing and recurring costs. It's designed for continuous spending, not true ownership. A car today isn't just a product. It's a financial system of loans, insurance, and hidden costs draining money over time. It's not about avoiding a car, it's about understanding its cost. If it drains your income, it's a liability. If you can afford it comfortably, it's a choice. Control the system, don't let it control you.